I'd love to take Manhattan someday. I've never been there before. When I arrive in New York City, I'll be singing the following lines. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I wanna be a part of it. New York, New York. During my stay in the Big Apple, I want to try the heavily advertised Parmesan stuffed crust pizza from Domino's. There are hundreds and hundreds of pizza places throughout the five boroughs, both local and part of a national franchise. I would also like to take a ride in a taxi cab or even a subway or a transit bus. Among the attractions I want to check out are the old Empire State Building, the new One World Trade Center, the iconic Statue of Liberty, Times Square, Broadway, Madison Square Garden, Yankee Stadium, MetLife Stadium in Crosstown, East Rutherford, New Jersey, too numerous to mention in a city with hundreds and hundreds of skyscrapers. I also want to appear on several radio and TV stations to promote a song that I wrote called Concrete Lady, which is about my favorite Oscar-nominated actress. I'm going to love New York when I get there someday.